All right. We're walking into a house right now. We're going to put our card in somewhere where someone can see it. Let's figure this out. This home is pretty much close to where you want it to be. Easily clean, ready to be clean. And we're gonna put the card somewhere. Just gotta pick a spot. Let's see if they got the cabinets in. Probably don't got nothing here. What's this gonna be? Bedroom? Just gonna put it up here in the door. That way, boss man comes in, you can see it here, right? It's probably would have been easier going the opposite way, but I'll do it like that. Boom, easy. Drop it off, hop back in your whip, go check another one. It's gonna be a nice house though, money. And that's it, guys. Peace. If you guys are interested in more in-depth information on the top 5 things to avoid or how to start a successful construction cleaning company or any other service business, drop down in the description box, hit the link, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Peace.